Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'll guide you through the steps to set or change your user account picture on Windows 10. Personalizing your account photo can make your experience more enjoyable and help identify your device more easily, especially when multiple users are involved. Let's get started. Right-click on the Start menu at the bottom left corner of your screen. From the menu that appears, click on Settings. In the Settings window, select Accounts. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Create Your Picture. Click on the option Browse for one. A File Explorer window will open. Navigate to the folder that contains the picture you want to use. Click on the image you want, then select Choose Picture. Your user account picture will now be updated. It will appear on the sign-in screen and in other system areas. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Windows 10 user account picture. If this video helped you, consider subscribing for more helpful tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.